We make nutrition hard. We make it way harder than it needs to be. And the reality is it's not hard, not the theory of it anyways, because humans lived on this earth for hundreds of thousands of years, not even knowing the word nutrition. They just knew they ate meat, they ate plants, things that were available from this earth. They never thought twice about how much meat or how much plant they were eating. They just ate. And now it's so hard for you to know what to eat because everybody says something different. And the reality is your body does have an ideal diet for it. And I can tell you for sure, without a doubt, that that diet is based on whole foods. And that if you're watching this, there's a good chance that you need to have less sugar and carbs in your diet. And I can tell you there's also a good chance that you need more nutrients, vitamins, and minerals going into your body. And because I know these things, every Friday I can send you a meal plan that will balance your metabolic health, help you lose weight if you need to, and give your body the nourishment it needs to feel good. And you don't have to think about it anymore. You just have to follow the grocery list, eat the meals on the plan, and your body will feel so much better. Stop making nutrition hard and sign up for the Metabolism Makeover.